Okay, now we're gonna change it.
Change it to what?
We're gonna change that muffler.
Dad, it's still on and I'm sewing you on these.
Oh no.
Dad, look.
Yeah. Exactly. Good job.
Who are you gonna send it to?
We'll send it to the world.
Everybody?
Yeah. Okay. See this? We gotta swap these rubber pieces. That's probably the most difficult part of the job. It's not even that hard of a job. Okay.
Oh, how about I can fix the bike?
Okay.
Wait, you do it, and you can be a camera.
Oh, sure. All right, take that rubber piece out.
Right here?
Yeah.
How do you do it?
We'll get the screwdriver and pry it out.
Let's see.
Yeah. Easy money. All right. High five.
No, I can do it.
Okay. We'll see you guys next Christmas when Calvin's done. I'll squish him in like a sandwich, like an Oreo.
Yeah.
Done deal. All right, good job, buddy. Okay, actually, one other thing. This has to come off. Okay, that's off. Now,
The timer's ready out.
this part goes on here.
The timer's ready out.
That's not how it works.
Timer's ready out. The timer's ready out.
The thing will just go until the phone runs out of memory, bud.
Yeah, watch the
That's
stuff
right,
on
we'll
your
film it on
phone.
our phone.
Watch the stuff on your phone,
Hey.
you old big man.
Oh, we're forgetting one of these springs.
Can you hold it now? Yeah. Fix it.
Yep. Missing the H.
Mixing it, right?
Right, turn them around until it's tight. That don't look too bad. I wonder if it's gonna be louder or quieter. What do you think?
Quieter and louder. I think you can
Unreal.
control it like you can just twist set other way to make it quieter and
You're going the wrong way now. Look at that. Wrong way, wrong way. Go the other way.
sit way.
Yeah. Righty tighty, remember? Lefty loosey. I trust you. So if I go riding, this isn't gonna fall off, right? Because I'm going riding in like 40 minutes.
Fix it.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna fire up the bike now. Ready?
Yeah.
This is with the stock exhaust. Okay, so that's done. That's on.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna go for a ride, and I'll get a video of it once it's warm, and
Wake up Flitz guys at top
it'll
Flitz.
sound a lot better, I'm sure. You guys already know what a stock one sounds like, so that was just for a quick reference. But yeah, it sounds kind of like crap still because it's cold as hell. Well, I put about 10 kilometers on this thing so far. This thing. And I gotta say, it sounds pretty cool. It's not quite as raspy as the Pro Circuit with the Spark Arrestor type.